Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are trying to open up a compress archive folder, and since the archive is either an unknown format or damaged. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to Google Chrome web browser and search for 7-zip. S7 is a IP. Press enter, search for it. Click on the 7-zip official website. Download it by your format guys. If you are 32-bit, then download this option. I am 64-bit, that's why I'm downloading this option. And after getting download done, you just need to install it guys. Click on open file and install it. Click on yes. Click on install. After getting installed done, you just need to close it off the browser. You just need to click on the close option and close it guys. The installation finished up. Click on close. Now you just need to right click on whatever file or folder you are having that issue with. You just need to right click on it and select show more options and select 7-zip and select extract here, and it will be extracted in the desktop guys. And that's how you get the extracted file or folder in the compressed archive. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.